Hi everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making pandan cake dessert. This pandan cake always served with sugar syrup and topping with coconut cream sauce. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for making the cake. And this ingredient for making sugar syrup. This is group number 3 for making coconut cream sauce. And the last ingredient is white sesame seeds. Right now, let's start making it together. First, we are going to take 10 pandan leaves and cut it into small pieces. Then pour 3½ cup of water and blend it. After blending, strain the fiber out. Finally, we will use only 3 cups of pandan water. Times to mix the dry ingredient. First, we are going to add 1 cup rye flour, 1 cup tapioca starch. Then pour 3 cup pandan water in and mix it well. The flour mixture is ready. Turn on high heat and put the pot on the top. And continuously stir the mixture for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is over, so turn the heat to low and keep stirring for another 10 minutes. The mixture is getting thick right now. Keep stirring. Now the flour mixture turned to the dough and is cooked. So next we are going to transfer it into the mold. And then use a plastic film to cover and press to flatten the surface. After that, remove the plastic film and let it cool down. Now let's roast 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. Turn on medium-low heat and keep stirring until it turns golden brown. Now the sesame seed turned golden brown, so turn off the heat. Next, we are going to grind it coarsely. White sesame seed for topping are ready, so let's go to make sugar syrup. The sugar syrup is very important to enrich the flavor of this dessert. First, we are going to add 7 ounces of palm sugar and stir it over medium-low heat for 1 minute. Palm sugar is start boiling, so add 3/4 cup of water in and stir to dissolve the palm sugar. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir to dissolve it. To make sugar syrup thicker, we are going to mix 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch with a little water and stir to dissolve it. And then pour the flour mixture in and keep stirring until it's boiling. Now sugar syrup is done. Next, we are going to make coconut cream sauce. First, we are going to pour 1 cup of coconut milk. Stir it a little bit until it's getting warm over medium-low heat. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, this is optional, and then stir to dissolve the salt and sugar. To make the coconut cream sauce thicker, we are going to mix 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch with water and stir to dissolve it. Pour the mixture in and keep stirring until the coconut cream sauce is boiling. Coconut cream sauce is done right now. And the cake is set too, so let's cut it into small pieces. So, the way we serve it, put the cake into a small bowl, top with sugar syrup. If you like sweeter, put the sugar syrup more. And then coconut cream sauce on top. And finally, we are going to sprinkle some roasted white sesame seeds. Now the pandan cake dessert is ready, so please enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea or comment, please write it down below the video. And lastly, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more recipes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.